Let's face it, at the end of the day, our end goal is to eventually be in a position where we continuously earn money in the easiest and fastest way possible, which is known as passive income. And I know that is your main purpose for clicking on this video, as you are looking for a method out there that can earn you easy money as fast and as easy as possible. And let me tell you, you have made the right choice by clicking this video, because in today's video, you will be able to learn a very simple method and a unique one that will earn you over $125 and more in just 12 hours. Yes, you heard that right. In that short amount of time, you can already earn a lot of money. Just imagine all the money that will pile up, right? The best thing about this is that this is completely free and it is so easy to do that I am sure every single one of you watching right now can do this immediately. And this is also available anywhere around the world. But before we dive into the tutorial, welcome to Online Cashflow, where we teach you how to make money online fast and easy. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will be always updated whenever I post new content on how to make money online. Please like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions and or any suggestions. As I mentioned earlier, in this video, you will earn passive income quite easily. And take note that you can do this how many times you actually want. But of course, we must first make sure that we have an intact space or wallet per se to keep all our earnings with this method. And for this one, we will be using a familiar website all over the world, which is PayPal, which can be found at paypal.com. So now, let me show you how to secure and create your own account. We are now here at their homepage. And to create your own account, just go over to the top right part of the page and click on Sign Up. Then, it will ask you to choose between a personal or business account. Then, just fill in all your details and personal information around here. And that's it. So that's it for our first step. We have to make sure we have this intact and secure, as this is vital, so we can actually track our income and earnings from the website I am about to show to you today, which is where we are at right now. Right here it states, Juicy SEO tools you will love. We make SEO simple since 2014. So basically, this website is essentially an SEO site, which stands for Search Engine Optimization. This helps various websites rank on Google so that a large number of people can see them. So what this website basically does is it is focused on helping a ton of other websites out there to gain much more needed traffic that they need and want. This is the reason why there are actually a ton of very large companies that actually love and trust this website, because it is cheap and reliable at the same time. And right here, you can see some things you can do around here. We can find keywords, SERP for any location, track your rankings, find powerful backlinks, and check competitors' website authority. But what is the name of this website? So this is known as Mangools and can be found at mangools.com. Right now, you might be thinking, but I don't know much of this stuff. How will I get paid then? Well, that is something you don't have to worry about, because if we go back up a little bit, we can see that they offer a 10-day free trial, which basically entails that you have a choice. So after the trial, and if you end up not liking or not trusting one website, you will not have to pay immediately and just first try it out for yourself. This is one of the great benefits of this website. Then just down below, you will actually see why a lot of people love Mangools, which are first, ease of use and great UI. You don't have to be an expert to start using our SEO tools. You'll understand all the data and features instantly. Second is support. With SEO skills, unlike typical outsourced support agents Our support team consists of people actually doing SEO every day. And lastly, best value for money. A good SEO toolset doesn't have to cost a fortune. We're no giant all-in-one tool, but you'll get all the features you need. Then just down below are some statements of different people that have tried this and love their experience around here. And we can also see that a lot of huge and established companies trust this website. We have the likes of Airbnb, Alexa, and even Adidas. But let's focus on how you will earn around here. So go on over to the very bottom of the page and find where it says Affiliate Program and click on it, and you will be redirected right here. So for this video, I will guide you on how you can actually locate different types of people that can be helped by this website, which can be in two ways, and you can choose which one you actually prefer. Mangles.com is one of the most amazing websites to promote because you can find so many clients around here, considering that new websites are made every single day, which means more money for you. For all the companies mentioned and present around here, they already have a set amount, which is a large amount in that case, to spend and utilize for Mangles, which in return, they will be helped out by Mangles and they will continue in utilizing it. And as I mentioned, we have a free choice around here, which can be beneficial, as you can first try this out and then eventually make your final verdict upon using it or not. And as you can see, they give you 30% lifetime commissions. We can also see right here that the average athlete payout is more than $450 every single month. Now that is a very huge payout if you ask me. But you might be thinking, how much can you actually earn around here? Now we can view that by clicking on pricing right here, and it will bring you this page, wherein you will be shown 3 different pricing plans. We have basic, premium, and interagency, which is further divided into either monthly or annual payment. You can just go over and check this all out for yourself. But let's now turn our attention to how you can earn a stable income around here. To know that, click on Start Earning Now right here, and you will be redirected to this page. Then what you will do is click on Don't Have an Account right here and create your own account, and you will then receive your personal affiliate link. But another important step is, how will you actually get traffic? And for this method, we will be using one of the most popular search engines of them all, which is Google. What we are going to do is search for any businesses in any city or town that you may prefer. This can help you gain a lot of traffic and help you earn a lot of money. Then just choose one business or company out there that you like and locate their contact information, which is either located at the top or the bottom of the website. For my case, it is stated right here. Then what you will do is send them all the amazing features of Mangles.com through their email account, which after they open it and read and know about it, then it will mean you will actually then earn a lot of money coming your way. And that's it. If this video helped you a lot, we appreciate you finishing it until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you will be updated on any videos that we will be uploading. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave any comments down below. Bye!